Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to do an unboxing today after some time. So I ordered couple of days ago. I ordered this phone camera mount from Amazon, and I got it within like 2 days. And I'm going to do an unboxing now. So I'll just cut the packaging open. So this cost me 34 Australian dollars. There was another one, but it is shipped from overseas, so it takes long time. So that is why I went for this one. There was a cheaper alternative. So this is the camera stand. Let's open it up. Okay, let's try to take the camera out. Camera stand. Okay, so this is actually supposed to be mounted on the table, and there's a cable tie here. Cut it open, and this is supposed to be mounted on the table, and it's an overhead camera stand. So that means you can use this to record from above our head. So this is great for recording unboxing video tutorials, and anything that you are doing on the table. You can use this to record your hands without, so it's very convenient. First we have to fix this mount to the table like this until it's firmly fixed onto the table, and then we have to take this stand, and this is the stand, and then put this hole, put this into this hole. Okay, now we have the camera mount. Now we can adjust the hands like we want. Okay, this is for this video. I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any comments, please feel free to comment below, and see you in another video like this.